Follow the acts and antics of Isabella.
Hello everyone, and in today's video, I'm going to be making glitter slime. On my other video, which I believe it was making slime, I think, but that's something to do with slime, and I had a few requests to make glitter slime, so I'm making glitter slime. But before we get started with this video, you guys are going to have the 5-second challenge, where you have 5 seconds to subscribe to my channel. Starting now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Did you guys do it? Put it in the comments down below if you did. So I have my bowl, my lotion to make it like soft, my activator, magical liquid, my clear glue, my glitter, obviously. So I have pink glitter. I have purple glitter. I'm not sure if you guys can see that, but I have purple glitter. Last but not least, orange glitter. And I have my mixing tools. So let's get started with this video. Okay guys, so if you don't know how to make slime, then I will tell you how to do it. First you take a bowl, then your glue, and you would put it in. Now that I'm finished with my glue, now, if you want to, you can mix it. There's really nothing in there, so. But you guys don't have to do this, but if you want to add, like, fun stuff, like, glitter, like I am going to do, you can add, like, basically anything in your slime that's, like, appropriate for slime. But, yeah, so now I'm going to put my pink glitter in. So I have my pink glitter in. And you guys are going to, after you put all of your fun things that you want to put in your slime, then that's when you would mix. But now I'm going to put my purple glitter in. Okay, now I have my purple glitter. Now, last for my glitter is the orange glitter. My orange glitter. Now, I am finished with my glitters, so I'm going to start mixing. I have some on the side, so I'm just going to get those. Guys, this is turning out to be a really pretty color. You won't have made it really pretty. So that's the color. But now that I'm done mixing that together, now you are going to add in your activator. For your activator, it can be Tide, Magical Liquid, or it can be eye contact or baking soda. Those are the ones that I know of. If you guys know any more, put it in the comments down below. But you don't want to add too much. You want to add little at a time. Because if you add too much, your slime's not going to form. It's starting to form. How you know that it's almost ready is when it starts to get a little harder to stir. It's starting to get a little harder. You can see there's more coming together than last time. But I will see you guys when I have the finished product. Hey guys, I'm finally finished. And here's my finished product. It's like so pretty. It's really pretty. It's like this pretty color. There's so much glitter in it. And I think I still need to knead it a little bit longer, but that's okay. I can do that later. But now what I'm going to do is I am going to add my lotion. And if you guys have lotion to add in, or like shaving cream, you do that at the end. You do that once your slime is already made. Then you would put it in. Because people usually put this in their slimes like to fix them. Like if they want a bigger batch of slime, then they'd add these. They'd add shaving cream and lotion. So you like add this once your slime's made. Just getting the lotion off of the table. Okay guys, now it's like much softer. But yeah guys, thank you all for watching my beautiful slime video. And comment down below if you like this slime. And you can also comment down below suggestions for videos like how on my one slime video, this one person commented glitter slime. Well, here's the glitter slime. But you guys can comment too of what other things I should do. But thank you guys so much for watching my video. And if you liked it, of course you need to like the video. If you disliked it, you can comment down below why you disliked it. And subscribe, obviously. And hit the bell so whenever I post a new video, it's going to remind you that I have a new video. And comment down below. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. That's literally how my sister acts. She's like, and she just starts crying. But yeah, guys. See you on my next video.